I've been fortunate enough to be a lecturer in the Filmmaking Summer School for over 10 years, and it's an inspirational course that I recommend to anybody. I think the diversity of the subjects that you can tackle in the short time that's there, the quality of the lecturing that's there, the commitment by the people that actually run the course is extraordinary. And I highly recommend it to anybody that's looking to explore film and television in any aspects, because it's a wonderful introduction and entree into the industry.
We learn about how a scene is blocked, how to position a light so you don't need to move it for too many shots, how to record a scene economically using 2 cameras, how to talk to actors, how to talk to other people on the crew, and how to be adventurous.
I think it's really important that young people who want to learn about filmmaking, they come to film schools like this one and they learn from practitioners. What I have to offer is the many years of my experience. It's one thing to learn off the internet, but I don't think you can learn about filmmaking per se from the internet. It's really important to be able to ask the right questions and get the answers, and then have whoever is taking the session to take you further than where you thought you wanted to be.